everyone, and welcome back to another Java tutorial. And today we're going to be talking about variables, how to declare them, how to create them, how to assign values to our variables in Java, and how to use those variables in our code. Alright, so this line right here is how we would declare our variable. So all you need to do is put the variable data type that we want it to have, then the name that we want this variable to have, and then we end, as we end each statement in Java, with a semicolon. Pretty easy, so data type, name, semicolon. Then whenever we want to have to assign some kind of value to our variable, first of all, you have to make sure that the value that you're trying to assign to your variable is the same data type. In this case, we have an integer, and we are assigning this variable to integer 5. So this is an assignment statement to our variable, and it's done the same way as in Python. The only difference is that you have to put a semicolon in the end, because this is another Java statement. So here, an example, we are printing out 2 lines, and we are trying to print the value is, and then whatever is stored inside of our variable called value. And this is called a string literal, and this will be printed as it is. So everything that's inside of the double quotation marks will be printed as is, with no changes to it. However, if you want to print your variable right here, value, we are gonna do it just this way, without the double quotations. So all you need to do is just print, put the name of the variable that you want to print without quotations inside of the parentheses. As you can see here, no quote marks, and integer 5 will be printed. So yeah, this is how you work with variables in Java. So it's a little bit different from Python, but again, it's nothing too complicated. The only difference, in my opinion, is that we have to specify the data type. But again, in my opinion, I think that helps the coder, because it helps anybody who's looking at your code, anybody who's working with it, and it helps you to look back and see which value is assigned to which data type. And again, you just put a semicolon at the end of each statement in Java, but that's something that I will recommend that you engrave in your brain, that when you're working with Java, we use semicolons. And whenever you have any kind of errors, syntax errors coming up, the first thing that I recommend you check is if all of your Java statements have the semicolons in the end. I'll see you in the next video.